Do you know something interesting? Today, just one software can do invoice entry, bank reconciliation, MIS reporting, and even basic data analysis. And that too in just a few minutes. This is not magic. This is because of artificial intelligence, that is AI. So, the real question is AI a threat to accountants or is it the smartest assistant an accountant can ever have? In this video, I will explain AI for accountants in the simplest possible language. No technical terms, no complicated theory. If you are a student, an accounts executive, or a finance professional, this video is for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to InfoCraze. Friends, accounting and finance is no longer limited to tally, Excel, and manual reports. Today, AI has quietly entered our daily accounting work, sometimes without us even realizing it. In this video, we will understand what exactly is AI, how AI is used in accounting today, and most importantly, how accountants should prepare for it. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? Let's keep this very simple. AI means software that can think, learn, and work like a human, but much faster. Just like a junior accountant learns work by seeing entries again and again, AI learns by analyzing data again and again. You already use AI every day. When your phone suggests the next word, that's AI. When Gmail automatically sorts emails, that's AI. In the same way, when accounting software reads invoices automatically, that is also AI. How AI is used in accounting? Let's look at some real life examples. Invoice processing. Earlier, an accounts executive had to manually enter vendor name, invoice amount, GST, and date. Today, AI can read the invoice PDF and pass entries automatically. The result? Less data entry, fewer errors, much faster work. Bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation used to take hours, sometimes days. Now, AI systems automatically match bank entries with books and show only mismatches. The result? Around 80 to 90% work done automatically. Accountant focuses only on exceptions. MIS and reports. AI can generate profit and loss analysis, expense trends, and variance reports in just a few minutes. Work that earlier took 2 days in Excel can now be done in 10 minutes. Compliance support, GST and TDS. AI tools can flag missing invoices, identify GST mismatches, and remind due dates. But remember one important thing. AI only provides assistance. AI does not take legal responsibility. Now, the most important question. Will AI replace accountants? Let me be very clear. AI will not replace accountants. But accountants who do not adapt to AI may be replaced by those who do. Thus, AI replaces tasks, not professionals. One needs to understand that AI cannot apply professional judgment, interpret law changes practically, handle management discussions, or take responsibility for decisions. Clients don't trust machines, they trust professionals. So, how smart accountants use AI? Instead of fearing AI, smart accountants use AI as a powerful assistant. They use AI for data entry, reconciliations, and draft reports, and they focus on analysis, decision making, and advising. Skills accountants must learn. The good news is you do not need coding, you do not need technical knowledge, just focus on strong accounting basics, good Excel and MIS skills, asking the right questions from AI, reviewing AI output professionally. We need to understand that the future accountant will not only be a data entry operator. The future accountant will be an advisor, an analyst, or a business partner. So to conclude, AI will not take your job, but it will definitely change how you do your job. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you want me to make a video on the AI tools which you can use as an accountant, please let me know in the comment section. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your colleagues and friends. Also let me know whether you are excited about AI in accounting or are you worried. Subscribe to InfoCraze for more practical videos on accounting, finance and career growth. Thanks for watching.